Happy Rush.
Get a move.
What did I walk into this room for? Your sunglasses. Give memory boost. Introducing Brainstorm with LifeStage. Clinically shown to improve adult memory. Can you tell me why I came in?
She can fit in small spots too. She crawls underneath the couch.
Little things we love. Every time they come home.
Oh, you okay, Lukey?
Lance sandwich crackers. Our fresh made peanut butter inside.
Hey, Luke.
Made crackers
Peanut.
outside. Lance.
He sounds like a squeaky toy.
Sophomore year, started Weight Watchers online. The weight started coming off. Oh my gosh. We're college kids. We go out all the time. Having my food tracker on my phone, I can figure out what I'm having at the restaurant. I lost 73 pounds with Weight Watchers online. I don't think I've ever smiled.
That was telling me Sunday. That's why I saw May on that at the place to deal shots. That strawberry blonde hair he has is really rare on Shih Tzus.